Welcome to Psychology Daily. We start a new week and it's about memory. Today's video is a brief introduction in the science of memory. I will present to you with simple model of memory and will describe each component. Let's begin. On your screen, you can see model proposed by Atkinson and Shiffrin in 1968. This model is intuitively understandable, but each component has its own subcomponents and needs description. Let's begin with sensory memory. It consists out of two distinct types of memory, iconic memory and echoic memory. First one is visual memory and second one is audio memory. Remember last time you were in the darkness and someone moved his phone fast. Trace after bright screen you remember is example of iconic memory. For echoic memory, example can be when you ask someone to repeat what he said because you haven't heard something. But then somehow you just understand every word before person repeat. Those words come from your echoic memory. Those two types of memory are very rapid and by some theorists are considered to be a part of perception process, but not memory. The next type is short-term memory. This type of memory is temporary storage of small amounts of material over brief delays. Short-term memory is a theory-free way to describe this temporary storage over periods of few seconds. Some theories describe working memory, systems that exist for temporary maintenance and manipulation of information, and that this is helpful in performing many complex tasks. Next type of memory, long-term memory. According to Squire, it has several subtypes, declarative and non-declarative among them. Declarative memory is what you can explicitly remember and describe verbally. It has its own two subtypes, episodic and semantic memory. Example of the first one can be memories of your last summer vacation. For example, you can remember ocean view or how beautiful was sunset. Semantic memory is about facts and concepts. Like if I ask you to describe me what is a chair, you will use semantic memory. Another branch of long-term memory is non-declarative or implicit memory. Among this type of memory is your skills, like how to ride a bicycle, as well as priming and conditioning. That's scientists' view on memory. However, you should remember that model is just simple way to describe processes in your memory, but not how it's structured in your brain. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow.